My plan for taking down Cool Corn is flawless. I'll find out which film they're going to watch, and I'll stop it before the closing scene. That way they'll never know how it ends.
That plan is darker than a fizzy cola.
Good morning. May I suggest a soft drink for... Well, first, which film would you like to see?
Hi, we're gonna see Superbots versus Dinos, but we don't need any drinks. You're supposed to eat popcorn at the movie theater.
Sweet!
Say what? You don't know a thing about
popcorn!
Well, we'll see if they keep turning down pop. Once I get rid of all the popcorn in the world!
Wow, fizzy and sour soda are coming to see the movie, too.
Kaboom City will never eat popcorn again! Neon Black!
Oh! Back off, Salty. What do you know?
Oof! Typical from someone who likes to eat sweet popcorn! We have to protect all the popcorn! I'll take care of it.
You dive down to the emergency exit and open it up. That way all the pop will spill out. You shall not pass. Are you always this eloquent? Neon corn power! Pop, hurry up! Hey! Hooray! I gotta get out of here. I know. So thirsty. Hey, wait! If people eat popcorn, they'll be thirstier and want to drink more fast drinks. Of course! I'll be back. Sound soda, got any pop left? Hey, Pop. Sorry about getting mad at you. I'm sorry, too. Even though you like salty popcorn and I like the sweet kind, we still make a good team. Hey! Don't forget to add a like. Surprise! Wow! Na 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 na. Meeny, miny. No.